Here you can check out your performance just by clicking on this icon. You will get to know your performance for last 7 days, 30 days and 90 days in terms of sales, product quality, service quality and fulfillment type. Here's your profile page and you can manage your profile from here. Next to this comes three dots. Just click on this and you will get a drop down option. From here also you can go to Seller Learning Center, you can go to Seller Community, you can download your seller app, or you can contact our seller support team. So when in doubt, you can always reach out to our seller support team from here.
तर सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम काम करायची बंद होते, अबोला एखाद आवडायला लागतो, एखादं व्यसन घर करायला लागतं, पालकांच्या आग्रहापोटी खूप अभ्यास करावासा वाटतो पण अभ्यासच होत नाही, लक्षच लागत नाही, पुस्तकच आवडत नाही, सगळे अभ्यासाचे कागद फाडून फेकून द्यावेत असं वाटायला लागतं, सायन्सचे फॉर्म्युले चारी बाजून
Now let's check each of the tabs.
वेट लागल्यासारखे भास व्हायला लागतात.
First is listing.
हिमालयात निघून जावं सगळं.
Under listing, you will see many drop down options. Let's understand what is listing. So click on my listing. This is listing dashboard. All your listings are available here.
अभ्यासाला वैतागून असा आत्मघातकी निर्णय घेणं योग्य आहे का? मुळीच नाही, बिलकुल नाही. किती सामान्य मुलगा असला तरी अभ्यास ही किंचाळकी पत्ती, नदीत पडल्यावर ज्याला पोहता येत नाही तोच गटांगळ्या करतो, बुडतो, मरतो, पण ज्याला पोहता येतं, ज्याला पाण्याशी स्पर्धा करता येते, ज्याला लाटेवर आरूढ होता येतं, त्याच्यासाठी नदीत मारलेला सूर हा आनंद आहे, साहस आहे, सॉलिड मजा देणारी गोष्ट आहे. तसंच अभ्यास असो किंवा कोणतंही क्षेत्र असो, त्यात पारंगत व्हायला थोडेफार हात हलवावे लागतात, डाव शिकावे लागतात, एका जागी आळस करून बसून शिकता येत नाही, उठ जागा हो आणि जोपर्यंत ध्येय सिद्धी होत नाही तोपर्यंत प्रयत्न करत राहा. देवानं आपल्याला दोन हात, दोन पाय, डोळे, कान, चांगलं शरीर दिलंय, मग अभ्यास करून.
So you can check out all active listing which are ready for activation, blog listing, inactive listings and archive listings. So everything is clearly segregated. And you can add new listings from here as well. You can search for any particular type of listing. Then here you can see selection inside opportunities. Just click on this option and you will get to know all the upcoming opportunities, products which are highly in demand, but availability of these products are either zero or nil. So go with this opportunity and check out all the details. This is highly recommendable because these are new business opportunities for you. You can choose these options. You cannot see any product here because again I'm using a dummy account, but on your seller dashboard when you select this opportunity section under listing, you will see all the new business opportunities for yourself. So go with these listings because they are highly in demand. They are being searched by customers on Flipkart portal, but availability of these products are not there in the market. Moving on to inventory section, click on inventory help and you will get to know all the details about your inventory. All your inventories are updated here. If there is any low stock, it will be available in this section. Any products that are out of stock will be available in this section. If there's any recommendations, go with these recommendations for sure. It will tell you about trending and high in demand products. Next is orders. So when you click on active orders, you will get the entire status of your order here. You will see the various stages of your order moving into, from pending labels to pending RTD, pending handover. Once it's handed over, it will come under dispatched order in transit. Once the order reaches the customer, it will come under completed orders. In case if there's any post-delivery service required after in transit, it will move to pending services, and once the service is completed, will move to completed orders. Any orders which is stuck at your hub will be shown under upcoming orders to you. Now moving on to payments tab. Here, as we discussed about payment overview, all your payment